To AM Career Solutions. So before starting my video, I want to say if you are forgetting to subscribe my channel, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए भूल गए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। पूरा वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए, till watch the video till end because it's a very important video and I have resumed the topic that I have said you in the previous video, that is fundamental analysis. Actually I have said you what is fundamental analysis and today I will discuss what is technical analysis. That means that is the part 1 of stock analysis and it is the part 2 of stock analysis or investment analysis you can say. ओके, सो सब्सक्राइब करने से भी कुछ नहीं होता है, यार से बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए क्योंकि व्हेन आई विल upload another topics and other topics you will get also the information regarding that or you will get the notification regarding that. So don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and share my channel. Okay, so let us come to our topic. So what is technical analysis and what is the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis? I have said you the fundamental analysis is the analysis of fundamental parts, that is regarding economics, industry and company analysis. And especially the main objective of fundamental analysis is to find out the intrinsic value of a company. Intrinsic value means a fair value or original value or book value we can say. So what should be actually the value of a company, that is what fundamental analysis is talking. Okay, so like I have said you or I have showed you an example of Oppo phone. So like when you are going to buy any phone, accordingly as per the features, specifications, cameras, battery backups and other things, what will the value of the phone, that we are determining from the fundamental analysis. That means what should be actually the value. So to find out the intrinsic value of a company, fundamental analysis is required. So let us come back to technical analysis. What technical analysis say? As per the demand and supply gap, as per the volume and the price movement, what is the price exactly now running in the market is technical analysis is saying these things specially. So like कितना people उसको डिमांड कर रहे हैं, कितना पीपल उसको खरीद रहे हैं, कितना पीपल उसको बेच रहे हैं और उसका एक्चुअल प्राइस क्या है. सो लाइक आप फोन लेने के बाद वो फोन में एक्चुअली क्या है वो एनालिसिस है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. जब आप उसको एनालाइज करेंगे कि एक्चुअली फोन में अभी चला रहा हूँ, इसके वैल्यू इतना था फंडामेंटल जब खरीदे थे तो कितना होना चाहिए एक्चुअली. So technical analysis means it is a analysis specially which is being done to examine the value or market value of a company by considering the share price movements, the volume of shares traded in the market, like how much shares is bought and sold, and the demand and the supply graph by looking at the pattern like in the previous history. Suppose I am giving you the example so that you can understand. So let us look at here so that you can better understand here. Here technical analysis. So what exactly we have to do in technical analysis? We have to go for the historical price chart. Okay, suppose we are buying a share of, actually this technical analysis also I will say why fundamental analysis and why technical analysis. Let us first know what is technical analysis. So we'll first go to historical price chart. Historical price chart means I have said you, suppose we are suppose we have to buy a share of Reliance. Okay, so we have to see 1 month chart like this. So like this. So suppose here Reliance price was 1000 rupees. Here it is increases 1100. It is 1200. It is 1300. Again it come back to 900. Okay. So again it goes down to 1500. Rising to 1500. So again it come down to here. We can say 975. Like this. So in 1 month we have to see how the price of, actually this is the historical chart before 1 month and the previous month how Reliance is performing. Especially from this chart we can know. So if you are choosing any type of platform, like you have to open some applications or you have to open a demat and trading account for that. So in that platform you can see here. Otherwise you can see it in the money control apps. Okay, you can see in the money controls, and there are other apps also too. Economic times also are there, so you can see it in that type of apps also. So like how the price is moving in 1 month. Suppose you have to predict it as per the previous market. You have to predict this. In the previous month the Reliance is doing like this, so in this month how Reliance will go, you have to predict it. So as per your experience, you can predict better. The more experience the people know, the more better prediction will be. So like I'm giving you the example so that you can understand here. Like, see, we have to create a support and resistance line for that. In technical analysis, in here the chart, we have to create a support and resistance. Like, we have to join all the bottoms like this, or tops like this, and we have to go for the bottoms. Like, so we thought that here the maximum Reliance can go up to 1500. In the previous month, it has gone to 1500, and it has reduced down to 900. So the support level and the resistance means above that that means the stock cannot go. That is resistance level. This is resistance level, and support level is which is supporting it to go off. So that it is known as support level. This is support level. Okay. So suppose 900. So you are deciding to buy a share of Reliance by looking at the previous month's historical price chart pattern, and you decided that as it has come down to 900 and it is the support level, so let us fix the price. When that means you have to wait for the price till Reliance is not coming down to 900, and you at that point of time you will invest. And when will you withdraw your plan, especially when it will again touch to 1500 or 1550 like that. So आप इसी तरह से हिस्ट्रिकल प्राइस चार्ट को फॉलो करते हैं. देन प्राइस मूवमेंट ऑल्सो इट इंक्लूड्स लाइक दिस, हाउ द प्राइस इज मूविंग, how fast the price is moving, how slow the price is moving, how much volatility in the market is there. And the main thing I have forgot to say you, that is volatility in the market. Volatility, how much volatility. Like some stocks are like this, that means it is moving in one direction. Some stocks are moving like this, this is less volatile. Some stocks are moving like this, this is much more less than this type, much lesser volatile than this two one. Another stock is more volatile, like this. So this is what price movement and volatility is connected. This is how. Okay. So then volumes of share traded. Volumes of means actually in the technical price chart, we can see that how much people are buying that share and how much people are selling that share. That means actually the shares transaction, how much transaction of that particular company has been traded in the stock market. Okay. So we can see here the volumes. Like suppose today the volume of Reliance is suppose 9,000 share has been traded in the stock market. So actually tomorrow suppose 10,000 will be traded. Like means that means demand is increasing. So the more the volume will be, the more the demand will be also, and it will be going up like anything. Okay. So here you can see the volume of shares traded. You can see it in the platform, especially where you are opening your Demat account or trading like a trading account like in Upstocks, Zerodha, and all these things. Next thing is the demand and supply gap that I have said you in the previous video also. Demand and supply gap means as per the people's demand. Like suppose I am giving you the example of one vegetable like a tomato. So tomato means suppose there is a shortage in the market. That means supply is less. So supply is less means the price of the tomato will be more. If the demand will be more, then what will happen? The price will go up. If people are demanding more tomato, then price will go up. If people are demanding tomato or tomato less, then price will go down. Like this. So demand and supply gap also plays a very major role in technical analysis. So this is what technical analysis is taking out. Actually, I can't elaborate all the things of technical analysis in one section, especially because it will take at least 40 to 45 classes, because it is a very huge concept. So for this you have to get a certificate from anywhere, or you have to do a certification course. Otherwise you have to go for any diploma or PG diploma program, because it is a very vast concept and you can make your career here. Okay. So another thing, what is the main important thing that you have to look for in the certification, like technical analysis also includes charts. How many charts are there in the technical analysis? Line chart, candlestick are there, candlestick pattern. So line chart are like this, candlestick are like this, you are looking like a candle like this. So actually every candle, there are a different shape of candles are there. So different type of shape of candles also reveals a different information about that. Like this type of candle, hammer like a candle, it reveals a different information, and reverse hammer is also revealing a different hammer. So a lot of types of candles are there. When you will be particularly going to candlestick pattern, you can know what exactly the candlestick pattern is specially. I think actually I prefer candlestick because it somehow it gives more accurate information. We can predict market better from candlestick. Bar chart is also there, like this type of charts are there. This is the line chart. Okay, so likewise also a lot of indicators are there, like RSI, relative strength index. Okay, and this type of other indicators are also there. When you will be going to technical analysis, you will read this better. I think it will be in the manual where you are going specially, or when you are creating your demat and trading account, you can read it in the manuals, I think. So RSI are there, and oscillator, a lot of things are there, a lot of indicators are there which we can follow better. Moving average are there. It is one of the indicator. So when we will follow technical analysis and when we will follow fundamental analysis, and what is the difference between two? I have said you in the fundamental analysis, that is for the long term investor. So technical analysis for specially it is for the trader people who are trading regular in the stock exchange and getting their profit, and that means they are doing a transaction regularly. Actually, technical analysis is not for them who are especially long-term investors. So investor and trader, I can say the difference between investor and trader is that things, especially investors for long-term process. They are investing in a particular stock or in a lot of stocks for more than 3 to 5 years, 10 years or something like that. Where technical analysis or a trader, we can say, they are not investing their money. They are just buying a share and selling their share at the end of the day, and they are getting the profit or they are losing the money or whatever the thing may be. So the main difference between there is a fundamental analysis specially based for the investor and technical analysis is based for the trader. But you can follow both of them. Both investor and trader, they can follow technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. It will give more accurate prediction while you are trading in the stock market. So remember this, technical analysis and fundamental analysis I have said you. Actually this will take, if I will elaborately explain all these things, it will take more than 30 to 40 classes, I think, because it is a very huge concept. By using this, you can earn money in a very good amount from the stock market. So, but you have to be experienced and you have to get knowledge regarding fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So for today, this much. Okay. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, इफ़ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस वीडियो, अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लग रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए मत भूलिए. Subscribe my channel, watch the full videos, and I have uploaded also other videos like the part 1 technical analysis. In the previous video I have uploaded the fundamental analysis. I have also uploaded like other in long-term investment tools, short-term investment tools. You can go in the description or you can go to my channel and you can watch all those videos. Okay, so my Instagram ID and LinkedIn ID, all these IDs are in my description. You can go there and you can follow or whatever the thing if you require, you can go there. Okay, so for this and for today, this much. Thank you.